Chinese, and I'm Jenny. Today I'm going to demonstrate 回锅肉. 回 means back, and 锅 means fried wok. 肉 you know it, it's meat, but when Chinese, if they don't specify, it means pork. I boil them 30 minutes actually. I let them cool down and put in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Belly, garlic stem, fresh green chili, hot broad bean chili paste, fermented bean, cooking rice wine, the sugar. Now I'm going to slice the pork. This is about 200 grams. Turn on the fire to the high level. I'm going to quickly stir fry the vegetables first. Not too much. Coat the wok. Stir fry for about a minute and take out. Oil. I'm going to use this oil, just coat this wok. Again, this slice the pork in. Quickly stir them, don't let them stick on the bottom of the wok. And stir again. Fermented the bean and the sugar. Now add this little bit of the rice wine. Yeah, that's all for today. Remember to check my website, easychinese.com. I'm going to provide all the recipes for these dishes, and also I'm going to provide the links for the essential utensils to cook Chinese dishes, and also the essential ingredients, seasonings. Thank you. That's all for today. Bye bye.